In this podcast episode, Mark Hyman welcomes Dr. Eric Verdin, the president and CEO of the Buck Institute for Research on Aging. Dr. Verdin shares his insights into the biology of aging, the mechanisms that drive it, and the exciting research being conducted to understand and potentially reverse the aging process. The conversation covers a wide range of topics, from the hallmarks of aging to the role of lifestyle interventions and emerging therapies. Dr. Verdin begins by discussing the fundamental concept of aging as the accumulation of disorder, or entropy, within biological systems. He explains that aging was historically viewed as an inevitable process, one that could not be altered or influenced. However, recent advancements in geroscience, the study of aging, have revealed that aging is not merely a passive process, but rather one that can be actively studied and potentially manipulated. The Buck Institute is at the forefront of this research, focusing on understanding the underlying mechanisms that drive aging and the chronic diseases associated with it. The conversation highlights the importance of recognizing aging as a biological process that can be measured and understood. Dr. Verdin emphasizes that while external forces such as gravity, radiation, and oxidative stress contribute to aging, the body possesses inherent mechanisms to resist these forces. This realization opens the door to potential interventions that could enhance these protective mechanisms and improve healthspan, the period of life spent in good health. As the discussion progresses, Dr. Verdin introduces the concept of the hallmarks of aging, which serve as a framework for understanding the various biological processes that deteriorate over time. These hallmarks include epigenetic changes, cellular senescence, mitochondrial dysfunction, and impaired nutrient sensing, among others. Each hallmark represents a distinct aspect of aging, but they are interconnected, creating a complex web of interactions that influence overall health. Dr. Verdin explains that the identification of these hallmarks has shifted the focus of aging research from merely treating age-related diseases to understanding the root causes of aging itself. By targeting these hallmarks, researchers hope to develop interventions that can slow down or even reverse the aging process. This holistic approach to aging research is crucial for developing effective therapies that address the underlying mechanisms rather than just the symptoms of aging. A significant portion of the conversation revolves around the measurement of biological age, which differs from chronological age. Dr. Verdin explains that biological age reflects the physiological state of an individual and can be influenced by various factors, including lifestyle choices and environmental exposures. He discusses the emergence of biological clocks, which are tools designed to estimate biological age based on various biomarkers. Dr. Verdin notes that while there are several biological clocks available, they often yield different results, leading to confusion among individuals seeking to understand their aging process. He emphasizes the importance of repeated measurements over time to track changes in biological age, as this can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of lifestyle interventions and therapies. The goal is to develop reliable biomarkers that can predict health outcomes and guide personalized approaches to aging. The conversation shifts to the impact of lifestyle interventions on aging and health span. Dr. Verdin highlights that approximately 93% of longevity is determined by lifestyle factors, with only 7% attributed to genetics. This statistic underscores the importance of making informed choices regarding diet, exercise, and overall health. Dr. Verdin advocates for a proactive approach to health, encouraging individuals to prioritize lifestyle changes that can enhance their well-being. Dr. Verdin emphasizes the significance of physical activity as a cornerstone of healthy aging. He explains that exercise not only improves physical fitness but also positively influences various biological pathways associated with aging. Regular physical activity can enhance mitochondrial function, promote cellular repair mechanisms, and improve metabolic health. By incorporating exercise into daily routines, individuals can significantly impact their biological age and overall health. A key focus of Dr. Verdin's research is the role of mitochondria in aging. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell, responsible for generating energy in the form of ATP. However, as individuals age, mitochondrial function declines, leading to decreased energy production and increased oxidative stress. Dr. Verdin explains that this decline in mitochondrial function is a significant contributor to the aging process and age-related diseases. To combat mitochondrial dysfunction, Dr. Verdin discusses various strategies, including dietary interventions such as ketogenic diets and fasting. These approaches can stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis, the process of creating new mitochondria, and enhance overall energy metabolism. Additionally, he highlights the potential of supplements like urolithin A, which has been shown to support mitochondrial function and improve health span. By focusing on mitochondrial health, individuals can potentially slow down the aging process and improve their quality of life. The conversation delves into the role of NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, in aging. Dr. Verdin explains that NAD is a crucial coenzyme involved in energy metabolism and cellular repair processes. However, NAD levels decline with age, contributing to the deterioration of mitochondrial function and overall cellular health. This decline has sparked interest in NAD precursors, such as nicotinamide riboside, NR, and nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, which can help replenish NAD levels. Dr. Verdin discusses the ongoing debate surrounding the efficacy of NAD supplementation. While animal studies have shown promising results, the translation of these findings to humans remains an area of active research. He emphasizes the need for more clinical trials to determine the optimal dosages and long-term effects of NAD precursors. Additionally, Dr. Verdin highlights the potential of targeting enzymes like CD38, which deplete NAD levels, as a strategy for enhancing NA availability and improving health span. Another critical topic addressed in the podcast is cellular senescence, a state in which cells lose their ability to divide and function properly. Dr. Verdin explains that senescent cells accumulate in tissues over time and secrete pro-inflammatory factors that contribute to age-related diseases. This phenomenon, often referred to as the senescence-associated secretory phenotype, can have detrimental effects on surrounding healthy cells and tissues. The discussion highlights the potential of senolytic therapies, which aim to selectively eliminate senescent cells, as a promising avenue for improving health span. By reducing the burden of senescent cells, researchers hope to mitigate inflammation and promote tissue regeneration. Dr. Verdin emphasizes that while senolytic therapies are still in the experimental stage, they hold great promise for addressing the underlying causes of aging and enhancing overall health. As the conversation progresses, Dr. Verdin shares his vision for the future of aging research. He believes that the next decade will bring transformative advancements in our understanding of aging and the development of effective interventions. The integration of artificial intelligence and big data analytics into aging research will enable researchers to uncover complex biological interactions and identify novel therapeutic targets. Dr. Verdin expresses optimism about the potential for personalized medicine in the field of aging. By leveraging advanced technologies and comprehensive data analysis, researchers can tailor interventions to individual needs, optimizing health outcomes. This shift towards precision medicine will empower individuals to take control of their health and make informed decisions about their aging journey. The podcast also addresses the growing interest in dietary supplements and their potential role in promoting longevity. Dr. Verdin cautions against the indiscriminate use of supplements, emphasizing the importance of evidence-based approaches. While some supplements, such as omega-3 fatty acids and urolithin A, show promise, others may lack sufficient scientific support. Dr. Verdin encourages individuals to prioritize a balanced diet rich in whole foods, fiber, and antioxidants as the foundation of their health. He advocates for a cautious approach to supplementation, recommending that individuals consult with healthcare professionals to determine the most appropriate options based on their unique health profiles. By focusing on a holistic approach to health, individuals can maximize their chances of achieving optimal well-being as they age. Towards the end of the podcast, Dr. Verdin shares his personal approach to health and wellness. He emphasizes the importance of integrating scientific knowledge into daily life, making informed choices based on the latest research. Dr. Verdin practices what he preaches, incorporating regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mindfulness practices into his routine. He also highlights the significance of monitoring health markers and staying informed about one's biological age. By tracking key indicators of health, individuals can make proactive adjustments to their lifestyle and interventions. Dr. Verdin's commitment to personal health serves as an inspiring example of how scientific insights can be applied to enhance well-being and longevity.